Hi Scott, this is Kayla Thompson with LCM Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things that you can do to your website really easily so that you can beat Valley Collision whenever somebody Googles collision repair Salt Lake City. I have them pulled up because they are the first organic website that comes up right here on Google. So I want to give you some tips and tricks on what you can do to get your website in this position. So if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's super simple. I found out a little while ago that smaller business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit their company and bring them more business. And usually the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. And I also understand that some businesses do have a digital marketing agency, but they just aren't seeing the results that they're paying them for. I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Kayla, please do this for me. So whatever you want to do with this information is totally cool with me. My only goal is to help you out in whatever way that I can. So what I'm going to talk to you about today are 3 things. Content, backlinks, and citations. So right here we have your guys' website pulled up. It looks great. Whoever put this together did a really great job. So what Google cares most about is all of this fresh content right here that you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on the home page. So if we come over here and we see how many words you guys have, looks like you guys have about 851 words. So that is great, but like I said, you'll want to get that number up to that or around that 2,000 word mark for Google to consider your website an authority. Now, if we check out your competitors, and I'm not sure that they'll have too many more than you, they might even have less. So let's check it out. So they do have less, 622 words. So the good news is that it's not difficult to get your word count up to that 2,000 word mark and really blow them out of the water as far as word content goes. Another thing with your content is you'll want to make sure that you have plenty of keywords within your content. So a keyword is any word or phrase that somebody's going to type in when they're looking for your services. So it could even be auto body shop, Salt Lake City, collision shop, Salt Lake City. The list kind of goes on. It's whatever people are typing in here when they're looking for your services, and you'll want to make sure that that's within your content on your homepage. Another thing with keywords is the pictures that you have on your website. You'll want to make sure that those are saved as keywords before they're uploaded onto your website. And you want to make sure that each picture is saved as a different keyword. So that's my first tip for you. The second thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google is like a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you, but they do want to see relevant links. So those backlinks are going to give you a lot more power if you have another like auto body shop or similar related company linking to you versus like a pizza company, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company, right? So the tool that I use to look at your backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. You don't have to pay for a tool like this. There's free tools out there. If you type in backlink checker or keyword planner, you can find all sorts of stuff like that on the internet. But if you see right here, it looks like you have 96 backlinks. And if we go to your competitor, it looks like they have 288 backlinks. So you're going to want to get more backlinks than them. And the easiest way to do this is just copy the links they already have and put them on top of yours. And the way that you do that is you go in here and into their backlinks, and you're going to go down the list of all these websites that are linking to them, and you're going to visit those websites and put a link on that website back to your page. A lot of the times you just create a profile and put the link in your profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and send an email to the owner. But whatever they had to do to get these backlinks, that's what you'd have to do too. So just by copying them and doing those first 2 tips, that's how you become #1 organically right here on Google. Now, the last thing I want to talk about are citations. So right here, this is what we call a Google Map pack, and this is actually the best place to show up because this is where the most traffic goes. It's free to have a Google My Business profile, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in directories across the web. And a directory is anywhere or any website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So what I would do is I would figure out what directories Caliber Collision are in, and I'd put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top of that. So if they were in 100 directories, I would make sure that mine was in 200 directories. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you found this informative and helpful, and I try to keep it short and to the point for you. So just for a quick recap, you're going to want to get about 2,000 words on your homepage, and you'll want to have keywords within your content. And then you'll want to get more backlinks, and the way you do that is by coming over here into your competitors' backlinks and taking these backlinks, and you can even go to other competitors' backlinks and take those as well. And then the last thing was citations. You want to have your citations in more directories than these guys right here, and that's how you become. That's how you show up right here in the map pack. So just by following these 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google. And now you're probably wondering what to do. So what I would recommend is that you get started on this right away because it does take some time to implement all of this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off your work. If you have any questions or you just don't want to do this or want somebody else to handle it for you, you can give me a call. I put my phone number right here on this last page. Feel free to call at any time and I'll be able to answer any questions that you might have. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to your feedback, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.